What's up, guys? It's Elias from Worship Base Room. Here we are with 1,000 subscribers. It's a huge milestone. I'm so grateful. I don't even know what to say. Now, I don't want to keep this video too long for you. We'll get straight to the point because I don't want it to be like a 10-minute video of me just thanking you. So I think the best way I can show you my gratitude is through a giveaway, and who doesn't love giveaways, right? So before we get into the actual giveaway, I want to give you some context of kind of what is all going to be happening. Because this isn't just going to be like any other giveaway where I could just give like a t-shirt out or something else like that. Like that could be cool, but as your bass instructor right now, I feel like there could be a lot more that you can gain from this and that I want to give you. So behind the scenes, I've been working on a Worship Base Room bass course. So a course that's going to take you from a complete beginner who's never even picked up a bass before to someone who wants to make this full time and ultimately be able to find gigs, be able to master techniques and all of that. And I don't want to give too much of it away now because it's not done yet. And that's the other little caveat. So we're so close to finishing, but there's still a few final touches. And so I want to choose 3 of you subscribers, and I'll I'll show you how you can I'll show you how you can enter in a minute or two after I finish explaining this. It's gonna be super easy because I'm not super familiar with this giveaway stuff. But yeah, we'll go over that in a minute or two. But yeah, so I just want to be able to give you more information because you've seen other YouTube videos talking about bass techniques, all that stuff, but it's all very scattered and it takes so much time to sort through to find the good stuff. So that's kind of part of the main goal here, is to give you everything you need in sort of one little package. And no matter where your skill set's at, you'll be able to benefit from this. So that'll save you like hours of just searching, and then just 5 minutes, instead of just like 5 minutes of practicing, you'll be able to kind of do the opposite, where you spend all your time just learning these new things because it's all right there at your disposal. So that's kind of a basic overview of this course that I'm going to be giving away. Again, I don't want to share too much yet, but in due time, I will share more. So for now, there's going to be 3 of you that are going to be able to enter this. Preferably, now I don't want to stop anybody, but those that are going to really want to dive into this and use it to its fullest eventually, and are really passionate about growing their bass playing abilities for God. That's ultimately who I want to give it to. And even if you know somebody who would benefit from this, you can have them sign up or sign up on their behalf. So all you have to do to enter this, I'm going to keep it super simple, is in this video, comment down below just why you would like this and why you would benefit from a course like this. So you don't have to go into like full paragraphs and full details, even just a sentence or two. But I'll look through those, and everyone who has a reason, I'm not going to just choose which one I think is the best. I'll put it into some sort of like random picker and choose 3, excuse me. But I just be curious to hear why you would benefit from this and why you would enjoy something like this. So yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. There will be plenty more information on this course coming soon. I don't want to give any dates yet because I cannot. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. But again, I'm ever grateful to all of you. You are the reason this channel has still been able to grow and even allow me to just post more videos like this, doing what I love and helping you do what you love. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell and enter this giveaway. This is going to be lasting for a week. I'm going to leave it up there for a week, and then I'll pick the winner, and I will make a video telling you the 3 winners. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.